everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so sorry I didn't get a post yesterday. This would have been the video. It's a shower tutorial video. Let's get rolling. First one you might recognize, it is the shower from the Lego Container Homes. What you want to do is get a 1x8, I believe that is. In this spot, you're going to place a white grill and then a white plate. Tile, forgive me. 1x2 brick there, and then a corner piece, or not, you can just use tiles, and a corner and a shelf piece there. But I used a corner piece, just kind of what I had. And then to fill in that gap, you want a 1x3, like you do really want a 1x3. Get a stud, doesn't matter the color, just make it look like it is soap. Nozzle piece goes there. I'm sorry, I don't know if you saw that hit while I was building, but anyways, just stack literally bricks. You choose the height. I went up to 4. Then you want a nozzle. Place that again with a brick. Doing the same on the other side, except forgetting the nozzle. You're actually instead going to place a brick and a lift up piece. And this is where it gets really, really interesting. You see, a brick will go there. You might be thinking, what? Just a brick? Seriously? How is that interesting? But a 1x1 brick here. We're getting to where we enter the shower curtain. So you want headlight bricks on either side. And I'll show you kind of how to build the shower curtain. So starting with 2 headlight bricks. Doesn't matter the color. It's probably better if they match. You want this, like, I call them spear pieces. I think they're like 1x6 rods with a little round thing on them. I don't know what exactly the name is, but that's what we're calling them today. Put them in those holes and attach 4 clips. And these are of the 1x4 kind. You probably want to adjust it a bit to fit. You can see that they kind of fly over all over the place, but I'm sure eventually you can get them to stick. That might seem cool, but it's not cool enough. You do need a 1x4 brick. No, plate. 1x1 plate and 1x2. No, 4x4 plate, rather. 4x1 plate and 4x2 plate. And then here, all you are going to do is get some tiles and put them in whatever sort of style you want. And then you can just put them kind of like that, and place it like there. And there you have a shower curtain. Of course, you can make the shower curtain larger depending on what you do. And we will just put another 1x1/8 to seal that off. Of course, I'm not saying you have to go, of course, with the wall color. Some of this at the top got mixed. I'm just trying to give you an idea of how to put a shower. Put it in your own build. And this is the next shower. Starting with 2 2x3s. Getting a 1x3 corner shelf and another 1x3 plate. Get a 1x2 brick. Place a stud again, doesn't matter the color, just wants to act as soap. And get a nozzle. So then you want a 2 1x2 bricks or just a 1x4 brick. Get these what are these called? Banners? No, like, they're not brackets, but they're, you know what these are. We'll just call them something that's a B Lego piece. I don't know. Then you have these upslope pieces of brick. Ooh. You're gonna want to get a 1x3 there and another 1x3 there. Slap on a, what's this called again? A nozzle. 1 brick, a 4 brick, stack another 1 brick there, corner brick, and 1x2 brick, and there you go. You have a nice shower. Let's just see, and you can stick him on there. Now there is no drain, of course. Adjust this to make it feel like good for your showers. But we're not done. We have one last shower. Sorry, that does come out. There's not one piece, but of course, if you're placing it on an actual base plate, it would work really well. 1x6 is what we're going to be using here. We're going to stack a 1x2 brick and a 1x4 brick. I know this is a mix of white and gray, but that's just how we're doing it. Place a 1x3 there. plate, 1x1 brick, another 1x1 brick. Unless you have this stacked up together, which I do have, I just chose not to use it. You will want a cylinder brick or not, I don't know, a cone brick or a cylinder brick, just something that has a hole in it so you can place the nozzle this way. Of course, if you want, you can do the classic this way, but I want to be a bit more creative and use it like that. It looks a bit nicer in my opinion. Of course, this is just my opinion. And like we have been doing all over, stud, nozzle, slap it on, or I think this is the reversed way. Yeah, that's the right way. So when you do that, you'll look like this. 1x6 plate to fill in the gap, or sorry, I actually think, sorry. This actually goes this way, I'm so sorry. And I think actually it is reverse. I'm so confusing right now. I'm sorry. If you look at that, that's the way it's supposed to go. I'm sorry, I kind of got confused. You'll want a 1x6 plate, and you'll slap it on like that. 1x4 goes back there, sorry. And a nice grill to be the drain will go there. Now, of course, your minifigures can't stick on, but at least it is tiled, which kind of looks a bit nicer, especially in my opinion, for a shower. Now, that's the end of this video. So, yes, it is coming to a close. Bye, everyone. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm sorry, I should have posted this yesterday. I'm so sorry I didn't. But anyways, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. If you are enjoying my videos and liking them and watching them and everything, like and subscribe. I really would like if you guys would subscribe to me. That would really help me out. And bye.